If you have built a React application locally and want to get it live on the internet, in this video we're going to show you how to host it for free using Vercel. We'll push your code to GitHub, import the repository into Vercel, and configure your build settings so your app goes live really quickly. So first, Vercel deploys directly from your Git repository. Open your project in VS Code, your preferred terminal. Make sure your local React app is initialized with Git and pushed to GitHub repository. If you haven't done this yet, you can run git init, commit your files, and push them to a new repository on GitHub. Next, you can connect your repository and launch the app. Head over to Vercel, log in with your GitHub accounts. So when you're logging in, just like me, just log in with your GitHub and not a Google account or something else. Then on your dashboard, you click Add New Project, right here, and then click Import next to your project. Vercel is smart. It will automatically detect if you use Create React App or Vite, automatically configuring the correct build commands and output directories. And then just click Deploy button and wait a few moments while Vercel builds your production sites. And your React app is going to be now hosted globally and will update automatically every time you push code. So as you can see, deployed, and here's your link that you can copy. So that's it for this video, guys. Enjoy.